Hello, welcome to Windsor. I'm currently making my way around to Windsor Riverside as that bus just drives by. I have to get to Windsor Riverside, and with the introduction of the class 701, which you can see here, the current suburban fleet of South Western Railway is being retired and replaced. So, here at Windsor Riverside, I had to get the 11:53 to London Waterloo. It's currently approaching 11:50. I've probably fixed my mask. And the plan is, if I can get across this road, the 707 first for me, then the 458s, 455s and 456s last. A quick bit of problems, but here's our 707s.
South Western Railway service to London Waterloo via Richmond, calling at Datchet, Surrey Meads, Grimsbury, Staines, Ashford, Surrey, Feltham, Whitton, Twickenham, Richmond.
Please do report it to myself or any other member of railway staff. In the interest of security, please do keep all personal belongings with you at all times. I'm currently located at the rear of this 10 coach train should you require any help or assistance. You can also find me on the platform in each station stop. First stop on the service will be Datchet. Now we do have some short platform stops on the service. Any passengers wishing to leave this train at Datchet, our first stop, and Grimsbury, will need to be in the front 8 coaches. Any passengers for Surrey Meads, you'll need to be in the front 7 coaches.
This train is for London Waterloo. The next station is Datchet.
So I'm on the 458, and switch went to Egham. Yep. Yes, these 458s have the comfiest seating of a suburban stock, South West Railway, and they need that considering they do operate the longer services, so the likes of Reading and Weybridge via Hounslow. So they do need to have half decent seats, but now for me personally, I'm not the biggest fan of the 458s, and if there are two of my subscribers, you know who you are, who already know that, because for me the best Juniper was the 460.
This train is now approaching Egham.
Because yes, they sound 460s sounded well just like any Juniper, but the 460s they looked cool. Like, dare I say it, they looked better than 442s. There, I went there. Right. As I said, so for me, because the 458s, well, took the 460 coaches, then they're not, because that I don't like them. I mean, yeah, fine. They have got the comfiest seats, and they're the only units built for suburban use with toilets and first-class seating. First-class seating is declassified. So anyone can sit in first class. Well, what was first class on these units? But because South West Railway did that, that is one of the only reasons I like South Western.
This is Egham. Please remember to take all your personal items with you when you leave the train.
For the most editing, I'm going to be putting it to Weybridge.
There's a hole in the door. This is being attended to. Please do not attempt to use any emergency alarms at this point in time. This is being attended to. Apologies for the delay in opening the doors.
Hello, just went to Guildford. No, not Guildford, Woking. Trying to get on this 455.
The next station is West Byfleet.
Now, unfortunately I was not able to get a 456, but don't worry. I prepared a trip board on the 456, so just go watch it after you finish watching this video. Trying to walk into the poles. it. So, now on 455 is 909. We're on 847, or is it 874? I don't know. But, yes, we shall, go on for a tiny bit to Postage Sunbird. And that is Perch Perforce off to Weymouth. With next station stop being Basingstoke. And it is normal for that service to run fast from Clapham Junction, where it picks up passengers to Basingstoke. And half of them stop at Basingstoke, not Woking. And the other half stop at Woking, but not Basingstoke. Because that caught me out once. As I'm now sat on my 450, we come to depart. Currently on 45125. As per force goes through Arthur down fast with 040 leading. No idea what was on the rear because I wasn't paying attention.
If you see
Triple
something
fours.
that doesn't look right, speak to a member of
Currently on
staff
1503.
or text the British Transport Police on
So
61016.
is a
We'll sort it.
pair of 450s.
Said, sorted.
And this brings close to the video. Unfortunately I did not get a 456,
Please wear a face covering on
but
our trains and at our stations. Please remember to socially distance where possible.
but I have already made a trip on the 456s from West Byfleet to Weybridge. I've just got the last bit of footage I need for that filmed, and then so that will be out. He says we're gonna get it out like on the 6th, and it's currently the 4th. But good news is that it's only just one clip that I need to record on the GoPro. So, well, Southwestern, I know the 701s, you've probably got many of them, and they're still coming thick and fast. In fact, last week, I saw 2 of them on the Southwestern Main Line. One at Winchfield, as it headed down to Eastleigh. Originally I was meant to go to Staines up Loop, but it got cancelled between Eastleigh and Staines up Loop. So it's going to go from London to Eastleigh, then up to Farnborough, then back to Eastleigh, and then up through Winchester, Basingstoke, Woking, turn off at Byfleet Newhall Junction, round through Addleston, Chertsey, Virginia Water, Egham and Staines into Staines up Loop. Some 444s, as you can see there, head through for London. But and then I saw a 47, specifically 47739, hauling 701032, from Derby, Lake Church Lane to Eastleigh. 701032 was on delivery from Alstom. Not Bombardier, Alstom. As Bombardier bought out Alstom in January. No, Alstom bought out Bombardier. That's what I meant to say. In January 2021. But so if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe, and I shall see you soon for a new video. Take care, guys. Bye bye.